हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम अगेन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं DXC टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी गुजारिश ये है कि अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक, शेयर और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा और साथ लगे हुए बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। इससे ये होगा कि फ्यूचर में हम जो भी वीडियो बनाएंगे उनके आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे। तो चलें वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस DXC is a good company? DXC technology is rated 3.9 out of 5 based on 7.0K reviews by employees on Ambition Box. DXC technology is known for work-life balance, which is rated at the top and given a rating of 3.8. However, salary and benefits is rated the lowest at 3.2 and can be improved. Is DXC a MNC company? DXC Technology is an American multinational information technology service and consulting company headquartered in Ashburn, Virginia. What does DXC stands for? DXC does not actually stand for anything. When the company name was given to employees 2 months ago, and facts said DXC is not an acronym. The name DXC is a reference to our mission, which is leading clients on their digital transformation journeys. Which company is best, TCS or DXC? DXC technology is most highly rated for work-life balance and data consultancy service. TCS is most highly rated for job security and advancement. Does DXC pay well? How much does DXC technology pay per year? The average DXC technology salary ranges from approximately 1.2 lakhs Indian rupees per year for data entry operator to 87.3 lakhs per year for a director. Salary estimates are based on 65.8K DXC technology salaries received from various employees of DXC technologies.